When people hear black hole, they imagine instant death, a cosmic vacuum cleaner. 1 second, gone.
But here's the weird part. A black hole isn't hunting you. It isn't angry. It isn't even special. It's just gravity. A lot of gravity.
First mistake, the name. A black hole isn't a hole. There's no tunnel, no void, no cosmic trapdoor. It's matter, so much matter, packed into so little space that gravity completely loses its manners. Here's the part that sounds fake. If the sun magically turned into a black hole, Earth would keep orbiting like nothing happened. Same distance, same speed, same year. No apocalypse, just very bad lighting. This line is called the event horizon. Cross it, and nothing comes back. Not light, not messages, not information. The universe doesn't explode, it just stops responding. Right now, you're still fine. Your body feels normal. Your brain feels safe. No stretching, no pain, no time tricks. But from here on, every step closer changes the rules. This is where gravity stops being polite. Your head and your feet are no longer treated equally. Your feet feel a stronger pull. Your head feels less. Nothing snaps, nothing screams, but your body notices, because gravity just became uneven. You're not being ripped apart. Not yet. Right now, your body's being negotiated with. Feet first, head later. Gravity isn't violent, it's patient. And patience is worse. Your blood was designed for one direction, downward, on Earth. Here, gravity pulls harder at your feet than at your head. Blood struggles to circulate evenly. Your body isn't panicking yet, it's just confused. Your brain evolved expecting one thing, space to be flat. Here, it isn't. Your eyes say one thing, your body feels another. There's no pain, just the unsettling realization that reality stopped matching intuition. You're still alive, still conscious, still thinking. But your body is no longer in control. Every meter closer amplifies the difference between head and feet. From here on, the word body starts losing its meaning. This is the famous part. Spaghettification. Yes, that's the actual scientific term. Your body is now longer than it used to be, not because you grew, but because gravity decided vertical is the new horizontal. Your feet are closer to the black hole than your head, which means they're experiencing the future first. Stronger gravity, stronger pull. Your body is no longer one object. It's a gradient. Muscles can stretch. Skin can stretch. Bones? Not really. Your skeleton was designed for Earth. One direction of gravity. One idea of down. This was not in the manual. Here's the part movies get wrong. You don't instantly black out. You don't explode. You're still aware, still thinking, still trying to understand why your body feels longer than logic allows. While your body stretches, time starts doing something worse. For you, seconds still pass, thoughts still form. But to the outside universe, you slow down, freeze, and eventually, you never quite arrive. This is the strangest part so far. You're falling, but it doesn't feel like falling. No wind, no acceleration you can feel. Just the slow realization that there's no such thing as stopping anymore. Here's where time officially breaks. For you, seconds still pass, thoughts still form. But to the rest of the universe, you slow down, stretch in time, and never quite cross the line. You're falling forever, on someone else's screen. This would be your last message to the universe. Light still escapes, for now. Every signal gets weaker, redder, slower, until one day, nothing you do can ever be seen again. For you, nothing special happens. No flash, no alarm, no cosmic sound effect. You cross the horizon like any other point in space, but from the outside, you never do. Two realities just quietly disagree. From this moment on, the universe keeps moving forward. Stars burn, galaxies collide, time passes, and somewhere behind that horizon, you're still falling, just no longer part of the story. This is where physics starts sweating. Our equations stop agreeing with each other. Gravity says one thing, quantum mechanics says another, and reality just does whatever it wants. Inside a black hole, even science quietly admits, we don't know. At the center, there may be something called a singularity, a point with infinite density, infinite gravity, zero size, which is science speak for this should not exist, but our math insists it does. Here's the uncomfortable question. Your body is no longer a body. Your signals can't escape. But for a brief moment, are you still thinking? We don't know. And that uncertainty might be the scariest part. Physics hates losing information. Every particle, every detail, every state. Black holes seem to erase all of it, which means either the universe is lying or information is hiding where we can't look. Your body feels normal right now, not because it's strong, not because it's special, but because Earth is forgiving. Change the rules just a little, and biology loses instantly. Here's the ironic part. The black hole was never the villain. It didn't chase you. It didn't attack you. It didn't even notice you. Physics did all the damage, silently, perfectly, without intent. Nothing new happened near a black hole. No special rules appeared, no secret mechanics activated. It's the same physics we live with every day, just pushed so far that the human body is no longer part of the equation. Humans feel universal, but we're not. We only work in a very narrow range of gravity, time, and pressure. Earth isn't just home. It's the only place where the rules accidentally let us exist. Space isn't hostile. It's indifferent. It doesn't hate life. It just doesn't optimize for it. Every time we leave Earth, we're not exploring paradise. We're negotiating survival. Your body feels normal right now, not because it's strong, not because it's special, but because Earth is gentle. Physics didn't change. You just stayed in the only place where it lets you win. If this changed how you see space, subscribe